Welcome back to the channel, where we celebrate the poetry of rustic vintage decor and timeless interiors. Today, we step into a world of refined elegance and layered history, exploring a Parisian architecture home that beautifully blends heritage with contemporary design. This is not just a house tour, it is a journey through craftsmanship, artistry, and thoughtful modern living rooted in centuries-old inspiration. From the very first glimpse of the façade, the influence of classic Paris architecture is unmistakable. Limestone walls glow softly in natural light, wrought-iron balconies add delicate detail, and tall windows stretch gracefully from floor to ceiling. The symmetry and proportion echo traditional house Monera design, yet subtle modern touches hint that this home lives confidently in the present. As we step through the grand entryway, we are greeted by soaring ceilings adorned with ornate plaster moldings. These handcrafted details speak to a heritage of artisanship that once defined the city's most distinguished residences. However, instead of feeling overly formal, the space feels warm and welcoming, thanks to a carefully curated mix of rustic textures and understated contemporary furnishings. The living room embodies balance. Original herringbone oak floors provide a warm foundation, their patina telling stories of decades past. A sleek, modern sofa in a neutral linen tone anchors the room, proving that contemporary silhouettes can coexist beautifully with antique architectural elements. The key here is restraint, allowing the structure to shine while layering in comfort and personality. One of the most captivating features is the marble fireplace, an authentic relic from the home's early years. Rather than replacing it, the designers restored it to its original glory, pairing it with minimalist decor. A single oversized mirror rests above the mantel, reflecting light throughout the room and amplifying the sense of openness that defines contemporary Parisian living. natural light plays an essential role in the overall design. Large French windows invite sunlight to pour across textured walls painted in soft, chalky neutrals. These muted tones enhance the architectural details rather than competing with them. Sheer linen curtains gently diffuse the light, creating an atmosphere that feels both romantic and refreshingly modern. Moving into the dining area, we see a beautiful juxtaposition of old and new. A reclaimed wood farmhouse table brings rustic charm, while sculptural modern dining chairs add a contemporary edge. Above, a minimalist pendant light floats effortlessly, contrasting with the intricate ceiling medallion. The dialogue between eras becomes the defining language of this home. The kitchen continues this narrative with confidence. Traditional cabinetry profiles are preserved, yet finished in a soft matte tone that feels current and refined. Marble countertops echo historic Parisian apartments, while integrated appliances maintain clean lines. Brass hardware offers a subtle vintage nod, tying together heritage materials with modern functionality. What makes this home truly exceptional is its respect for proportion. High ceilings and elongated windows allow for dramatic vertical space, but the furniture scale is carefully chosen to maintain intimacy. Oversized contemporary artwork leans casually against walls adorned with classic moldings, demonstrating how art can bridge the gap between tradition and innovation. Texture is layered thoughtfully throughout the home. Woven jute rugs soften polished wood floors, aged ceramics rest beside sleek glass vases, and weathered wooden consoles sit beneath abstract canvases. Each piece feels intentional, never excessive. This curated approach embodies the effortless elegance often associated with Parisian interiors. The staircase, with its original wrought-iron balustrade, serves as a sculptural focal point. Its graceful curves contrast beautifully with the clean geometry of modern lighting installed above. This interplay highlights the designer's commitment to preserving architectural authenticity while embracing contemporary forms that elevate everyday living. Upstairs, the bedrooms offer a serene retreat from the city beyond. Walls remain neutral, allowing antique armoires and vintage bedside tables to take center stage. Crisp white bedding introduces modern simplicity, while textured throws and linen cushions provide warmth. The result is a restful sanctuary that feels both storied and current. In the primary suite, an original parquet floor pattern becomes a work of art underfoot. Rather than covering it, the designers allowed its intricate geometry to shine. A low-profile upholstered bed enhances the room's height, ensuring that the architectural features remain the true stars of the space. The bathrooms embrace contemporary luxury while honoring traditional materials. Classic marble surfaces meet streamlined fixtures in brushed nickel finishes. Frameless glass showers create openness without disrupting the room's historic charm. Even here, the conversation between past and present remains seamless and harmonious. Throughout the home, sustainability and thoughtful renovation practices are evident. Instead of demolition, restoration was prioritized. Original doors were refinished, hardware was preserved, and structural details were maintained. This respect for history not only enhances character but also aligns with modern values of conscious design and longevity. What we ultimately witness is a masterclass in contrast, ornate yet minimal, historic yet fresh, rustic yet refined. This Parisian architecture home reminds us that heritage does not need to be frozen in time. When carefully curated, it can evolve, embracing contemporary aesthetics while maintaining its soulful identity. As we conclude this tour, we are left inspired by the quiet confidence of elegant living rooted in history. This home teaches us that blending heritage and contemporary design is not about choosing one over the other, but about creating harmony between them. Thank you for joining me in exploring this beautiful Parisian residence, and may it spark ideas for your own rustic vintage sanctuary.